Custom LEDs, wireless remote, stage 1, button 1, at its brightest. Headlight, size of the frame by the radiator, engine casing, go a little bit lower, got the little vent down there. Top side, along the frame, go back, and we catch the swing arm. Go back, you got your undertail, fully lit up. Other side of the swing arm, glowing intensely. You go through your 7 different stages. Back to bright. But number 2, strobing effect. Quite nice. I like it like that. 3 different stages of it. But number 3, pulsating effect. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's slow it down some more. Or speed it up, my bad. Or are we slowing down? We are slowing down. So that's the T. Custom switch for HIDs. And now we're on. HIDs with the bar. All on the switch.